Hello students, myself S.K. Jadhav from Department of Electronic Science, KTHM College, Nashik. In today's lecture, we will discuss comparative study of TTL, CMOS and ECL logic families. Let us understand the learning objectives of this lecture. In previous lecture, we have discussed different logic families such as diode logic, resistor transistor logic, diode transistor logic, and direct coupled transistor logic. We have also discussed their advantages, disadvantages, and the circuit, that is RTL NOR gate circuit and DTL NAND gate circuits. But DL, RTL, DTL, and DCTL are now become obsolete, that is out of date. Nowadays, TTL, ECL, and CMOS logic family is most widely used IC technologies. Therefore, we will discuss TTL, that is transistor transistor logic, ECL, that is emitter coupled logic, CMOS, that is complementary metal oxide field effect transistor logic, and the comparative study of TTL, CMOS, and ECL. We have seen that different devices use different voltage ranges for their logic levels. They also differ in other characteristics. In order to assure correct operation, when gates are interconnected, they are normally produced in families. The most widely used families are transistor transistor logic, emitter coupled logic, complementary metal oxide semiconductor, that is CMOS logic. Transistor transistor logic, that is TTL. In this lecture, we will discuss only TTL family characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages of TTL logic families. And in the next lecture, we will continue the remaining logic families, that is ECL and CMOS logic families. Let us discuss about the transistor transistor logic. In transistor transistor logic, logic gates and other digital circuits are made using bipolar junction transistors and resistors to form its integrated circuits. The term transistor transistor is used because both logic function and amplification is done by transistor. The first transistor is used to perform logic function and the second transistor is used to perform amplifying function. TTL is one of the most widely used families for small and medium scale devices. That means it is suitable for small scale integration and medium scale integration technology, and it is rarely used for very large scale integration technology. TTL devices typically operated from plus 5 volt supply, and its typical noise immunity is about 1 to 1.6 volt. TTL was actually developed in 1965. Through the years, basic TTL has been improved to meet the performance requirements. TTL has changed significantly over the years with newer versions replacing other types. Variations on the basic TTL design are intended to reduce these effects and improve speed, power consumption, or both. There are many versions of subfamilies of TTL. Some of them optimize, that means improved or enhance for speed, power, cost, etc. High speed versions comparable to CMOS, that is nearly equal to 1.5 nanosecond speed. Low power versions down to about power dissipation 1 milliwatt per gate. And therefore, these families are, that means the versions or subfamilies of TTL are, the first is standard TTL, high speed TTL, low power TTL, Schottky TTL, low power Schottky TTL, advanced Schottky TTL, advanced low power Schottky TTL, and fast Schottky. As such, all the families of TTL have three configurations for outputs. One is totem pole output, open collector output, and tri-state output. Let us now discuss the standard TTL NAND gate, that is basic 2 input TTL NAND gate. If you observe the figure, then there are two transistor stages in the circuit. A multi-emitter input transistor and output transistor. For logic gates built using TTL components, the input voltage is applied to the emitter of the transistor, that is input A, and input B is given to the emitters of this first transistor. The function of multi-emitter transistor is same as that of a two parallel transistor with common base and collector terminals. Let us understand the operation of TTL NAND gate. When the two emitters of the input transistors are connected to high voltage, that means A and B connected to high voltage, then emitter base junction of the transistor is in reverse bias. That means transistor is in reverse active mode. In reverse active mode, less magnitude of current flows in the opposite direction. This current reaches base of the output transistor, that means second transistor, allowing it to conduct and pulling down the output voltage to 0. That means when second transistor is conducted or go into the forward bias condition, then maximum current will flow through the collector and all the supply voltage will drop across this output or collector resistor and it gives the output voltage 0. When any one of the input terminal is low, that means either A or B is low, then the current through other branch flows out through this terminal. Now, no current reaches the base terminal of the output transistor, and so that the output remains at high state, that means it becomes equal to VCC. Apart from using normal transistors, Schottky transistors are also preferred for TTL logic systems. These transistors describe the Schottky effect and thus have higher switching speed, and lesser power consumption. Here, this is the logic symbol of NAND gate, and this gives the truth table of NAND gate. That means when A equal to 0, B equal to 0, then the output Y is equal to 1, or when A or B equal to 0, that means either A or B equal to 0, then the output Y is equal to 1. And when both are equal to 1, 1, then at that time Y equal to 0. That means it gives the truth table of NAND gate, and therefore this circuit acts or behaves like a NAND gate. TTL is now considered a little outdated but is used as switching device in relays and driving lamps and in printers, and also in case of video display terminals. Let us now discuss the characteristics of TTL logic families. The output of a TTL device can serve as an input to a maximum of 10 gates, that is, the fan out is 10. In TTL logic family, analog value from 0 volt to 0.8 volt is considered as logic 0 or logic low voltage, and 2 volt to 5 volt is considered as logic 1 or logic high voltage. The noise margin is at around 4 volt. The propagation delay is about 9 nanosecond. A typical TTL component draws a power of about 11 milliwatt, and TTL can drive more current and uses more power than CMOS logic family. Then advantages of TTL logic families. Advantages of TTL logic families include: the first important advantage is high switching speed, that is near about 125 MHz. TTL has a strong drive capability, that is more current up to 3 milliampere driving capability. It is least susceptible to electrical damage. It requires only one supply voltage. Then it is lesser immune to noise, or you can say less noise when compared to ECL, but more than CMOS. The most important advantage is fastest saturation when compared to other logic families, and it gives low output impedance for all states. Let us now discuss the disadvantages of TTL logic families. TTL family dissipates a lot of power, thus not making it suitable for battery powered devices. Not recommended in VLSI chips as it requires more space and isolation, and expensive compared to MOSFETs. Then common TTL logic ICs or evolution of TTL family. The series 74 was a designation for commercial grade TTL or transistor logic, and 54 was a designation for military temperature of the same design. There are several families of logic ICs numbered from 74XX 00 onwards with letters XX in the middle of the number to indicate the type of circuitry. For example, 74LS00 and 74HC00. The original family now obsolete, that means had no letter. For example, 7400. Commercially, the TTL logic components begin with 74XX such as 7404, 74S86, etc. Then the families are, the first family is 74 family, then the next is 74S. For example, 74S00, and this 74S00 is the quad 2 input NAND gate IC. Then 74LS, that means 74 low power Schottky family. Then above three families are practically obsolete or outdated, therefore they don't use in new design. Then another logic families are 74F, that means 74F means fast family. Then 74AS, that means advanced Schottky family, and 74ALS, that means advanced low power Schottky family. These are innovations in IC design and fabrication, improvement in speed and power dissipation, relatively popular and fastest family, and therefore widely used today. Summary: the TTL is the most popular general purpose logic family. It is available in different series with a wide range of operating speed, then power dissipation and fan out. Thank you.